Okay, so I have over 300,000 sheeps, right? And 62 TROS, right? So let's try to withdraw the sheep. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on the send, and they said I should enter my BEP20 wallet, right? So the minimum amount to withdraw is 300,000 sheeps, and network fee should be 30,000 sheep, right? So as you can see, I have 370 something. So let's go ahead and put our BEP sheep address. I'll head over to Bybit. Okay. As you can see, this is my sheep. Then I'll hover over to the wallet address, and I'll have to copy my address. Then we'll go back. So let's see. Amount, I'll put, let's say 310, right? So I'll be receiving 280,000 sheeps, right? Hold on, let's see, let's do 330, right? Okay, good. So I'll go ahead and hit the should I withdraw? Maybe we should withdraw everything. Let's withdraw everything. 371 250. Okay, so I'll go ahead and hit send. So it's loading. Let's see. It said processing. As you can see, my sheep has been sent out. Okay, so we'll have to wait for it to be available, right? So let's see if we have I don't know how long it's going to take before it will process. So I wouldn't want to, have everyone waiting, but I guess I'll have to pause the video, and when it's available, I'm gonna have to play it, okay? Okay guys, I'm back. I think that took about roughly about 1 hour or so. So let's see our withdrawal, which we did. Let's go to wallets, right? So as you can see, let's see. Trying to find, okay. This is the withdrawal we made. 341,250. amount or worth of sheep, right? So let's check. As you can see, boom, this is deposit confirmation. Your deposit has been confirmed. Deposit amount 341,250. Okay, now let's go to Bybit and see if it's actually there. So this is my Bybit. Then I'll head straight to funds. Okay, boom, as you can see, this is it. 341,250 worth of sheep, right? Don't play, guys. This is real. As you can see, this is a live withdrawal. Okay, so I did this withdrawal so that I can encourage you all to start farming this TRONIX app, right? So go ahead, start now. Don't just use it for for jokes or something. Go ahead, I will drop the link under the description of this video, so that once you click on the link, you join. It's free. All you have to do is come back every hour and claim what you've already mined. It's automatic mining, as you can see here. This is it. I'm going to show you. Okay. I don't know. Let's see. I think my signal is kind of bad. I wanted to show you. Anyways, it's not coming up. I think my signal is bad. I don't know. It should be from my network provider, but as you can see, it pays. The TRONIX app pays. So click the link on the description under this video and join. Okay, and start farming now. It's free. You understand? It's free. You don't need to pay that. Once you click on the link, you will be directed. Okay, it's up. As you can see, it is mining. I'm not clicking nothing. As you can, are you seeing it? It is mining. So it's as simple as that. Once I get up to the amount of SHIB I want, I'll go ahead and withdraw. I can decide to withdraw the TRS as well, but I don't want to do that right now. At least I've shown you an example with the SHIB. So go ahead and start mining. Okay, click the link under the description of this video. See you guys in the next video, and if you are new to this channel, do like, share and subscribe. If you have any question, drop a comment under this video. Okay, and do not forget to join our Telegram link. Okay, we'll post faster.